Mini Mart is closed. Ah, shit. You saw that? Have to be careful. Alright, I'm in Seminyak right now. I will try to drive slower just after this corner house actually. This restaurant is always busy because they do the nice promos. And yeah, that's how it looks situation over here. Massage. That was some massage parlors. Pepper shop. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Red carpet. It's still open without anything. I was having bintang last time. La Favela. La Favela is closed. Yeah, that's how it looks. Situation over here. Now many businesses in Seminyak in this area is closed due to the new limitations. It's not lockdown, everything is closed, but it's limited and some many reasons. Many businesses here just close business because it's everything limited to 25%, and probably for many of those businesses having an occupancy 25% or less is just not worth it. I mean, non-profitable, right? So as you can see, I drive around 20 km per hour just for better experience. Hello. It's 5 o'clock p.m. afternoon. That's how it looks like around Seminyak. So I'm making this video today. I want to make it about less than 15 minutes. This is like a style of live stream. However, I'm not gonna do the live stream, but I'm gonna make a video what is like a live stream vibe. Let me know what do you think about that. Here's the Greek restaurant, 15% discount, but empty. Seminyak Square, the front over here. Yeah, let me know, comment below what do you think about the vlog like this one. Some tourists, or maybe not, but not so bad. Here is the Seminyak village. Monchevstvom, Seminyak, Bosman. I'm gonna heading now into the Petitengat area. First of all will be Motel Mexicola on the right. You'll see. The guy notices I'm making the YouTube. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Like I said, comment below what do you think. This is the first video what I do live stream, but not live stream. You know what I mean. In Denpasar was rainy, but in Seminyak is very nice weather. I mean, currently the weather everywhere is not so like cloudy, but it's okay. Warung Gmina, since 1994 I used to having here bintangs when I was first time in Bali, long time ago, with the live music. However, it's closed now. Sands Hotel Seminyak on the right, seems open. Okay, some Warung shops. This is very Instagrammable area nowadays, and this is the Motel Mexicola. When I was last time in Motel Mexicola, I wanted to make a vlog. They asked me to pay, so probably I'm not gonna come back there. However, that's how it look like. Here is the Instagram spots. I will make a few tours. Here is the beauties. massage. Sea Circus, this restaurant used to be very packed, but I'm not sure if it's open or not. Okay, I will go now into Petit Tongan, but I just need to turn around safely, like always. Probably guys, you are thinking why I start today's vlog without showing my face and saying yo, what's up. Yeah, we are in the stage now as we are trying to every new possibilities. Yeah, I don't know, sometimes I have a feeling like we're losing some potentially new viewers because, well, maybe I'm not handsome enough, something like that. So decided to today don't show my face at all. However, don't you worry, you know, everyone who subscribed me, you know, as me is me. Yeah, very quiet over here, by the way. I could say it's 8 past 5. Driving very slow for better experience for you. This was the Warung the Dau. I used to eat there also a long time ago. It was quite cheap at that time when we are new in Bali and don't know anyone. Yeah, but that was many years ago. Now I'm a little bit more experienced. This is the hotel, everything here is closed. Montego Resort, and somewhere here is W Seminyak. W Seminyak now is open, by the way, if somebody are interested. But I'm not sure if it's busy there or not. Potato Head is still closed. This is Red Ruby, it's open. This is new bar, very nice, by the way. So this is Petit Tongan, this is the W Seminyak, it's open. A very nice, beautiful road, by the way, as you know. I didn't saw security, maybe I could drive there, but it's okay. Yeah. There is many new restaurants, by the way, nowadays. If you've been last time in Bali, in this area, at least in 2019, since that time it's actually quite a lot has changed, I have to say. Yeah, but in general it looks how it looked like. Last time when I make a vlog here in Seminyak Petit Tongan, I used to drive completely in different direction, so today I decided to drive in this direction. It's also a little bit different perspective, point of view, how you drive. I'm not sure how about the sound quality, how I'm talking now right now, but I hope so you can hear me. Here was some new restaurant, but it's totally closed, as you can see nowadays. I drive super slow and I make a traffic, I should let them go, but the drivers not so great. This is famous Instagrammable place. That was very big boom on this place. Came community about a year ago, 2 years ago. Everyone wants to have a picture there, especially talking about the ladies. But now it's also quiet, I have to say. This is the Forge Pub. They have a lot of very nice deals over here, very really worth to come, especially Sunday roast, only 99k including drink. Usually every single day is different deal, mostly for 100k there you can have a very nice food with beer. Of course this is not paid endorsement, but yeah, it's very recommended place. This is something new. I don't know what is it actually. Never been, actually never seen, but it seems like gin and sushi, so it's some kind of Japanese cuisine, right? That's how it looks over here. Jamie, this restaurant is very nice, and this is the gallery, delivery shop, and the restaurant with the rice field view. I think this is the British restaurant, so they serve definitely a proper British breakfast and Sunday roast correctly. British folks. That's how it looked like. Long time ago, I remember some of here where the Stocca Casa here on the left was the container barbecue. Oh, here actually it's still, but it's abandoned already, very bad. Here is the Pison Cafe, one of my favorite cafes when I used to live in Seminyak long time ago. Yeah, everything has changed. That's still Petit Engen area, as you can see. And now is the traffic junction. We will see how is the few famous places on the main road. Traffic, some water, cyclists. Mini Mart is closed. Ah, shit! You saw that? Have to be careful. I have a shoot today. Here is the Livingstone on the right. Always busy. Very nice cafe. One of my favorite cafe also in Petit Engen area. And here is the Monchi Spoon. Also very nice. I make a vlog last time here. I have to drive like this because it's water. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Damaria, very nice place also if you wanna have a date, for example, or something. You met the girl in Bali, or you have your girlfriend from other country, doesn't matter, and you wanna take her for the very romantic dinner with the good food, good selection of wine. Damaria is definitely recommended. Here is the Spire, very nice Mercedes brand. I have a dream to have a Mercedes like this from the 1970s or something like that. I saw even one abandoned one very close on the same residential area where I live, but currently not possible. Okay, I have to turn around over here, and I'm gonna go show you now a little bit of the residential area of Petit Engen, Seminyak. Alright, so I arrived to the residential area of Seminyak. I used to stay, used to rent the place for a few months long time ago over here. On the streets actually, it's changed a lot. I remember at that time was nothing here, I mean few houses, and there are still okay. Coffee Cartel, very nice place, but they are closing at 4 I think, due to the low demand right now. Here is even some hotel and apartments over here, I don't know. It's changed a lot, however, that was a few years ago, like I said. But here is the house for sale, or villa for sale. Some places are bankruptcy here. I know many of you who are watching us, they like the Seminyak area as well. So I hope so you enjoy it also. Welcome to every new one person who watching us till this moment. Don't forget to subscribe, very important for us. Like, comments, and especially subscribes and watching us again and again. That's very motivating us to making video every single day. As you know or not know yet, we do every single day new video at 4 p.m. Bali time. We won't excuse them, so happy watching guys. Here is brand new place, villas and mall. And here also is my friend Warung. I used to have a place actually very close by here long time ago, and I remember was not much here but now it's a lot of things. And I remember here was the restaurant. and here was the restaurant, and yeah, that's how it looked. It's a lot of actually villas and residential areas, apartments in this area of Seminyak, Petit Engen. So basically I go from Petit Engen and I gonna go now there all the time straight, and I gonna be on the middle of Seminyak, somewhere between the Rumors restaurant or this Greek restaurant on the Seminyak. I forgot the name of the street actually. I think it's Raja Seminyak. Anyway, the names of the streets you will see on the screen whenever I enter the area, right? So that's how it looks. Actually you can go all around. So if you're gonna go right here, it's gonna be a Motel Mexicola, but we're gonna go straight and it's gonna be a Seminyak. That's for people who don't know the area, but for everyone who knows the area, if you are very familiar with the area, definitely it brings you back memories. At least I hope so. Here is the two mini marts in just 100-meter radius, or are closed, unfortunately. So sad. Actually everything here is closed. This restaurant is open. All cocktails 49k, or pizza maybe 49k. Anyway, this is the Seminyak. Like I said, Rumors restaurant is on the left over here. Very nice restaurant actually. I have been there maybe a few years ago last time, but it's very nice. They had a nice food. Okay, I'm back to the Seminyak. I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Oh, hello. Anyway, like I said, I hope so you enjoyed. If you like, please share. You can share, comment something, whatever it is. Put the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you tomorrow, like always, 4 p.m. by time. See ya, take care guys.